So we live in an old house built around 1900. It's a great old house. It had some important stuff that we wanted to do in this round. So Gold Coast replaced the old knob and tube electrical system with a brand new electrical system, replaced new HVAC throughout the house to make it comfortable and livable, retextured the old plaster walls throughout the house, painted the interior of the house, and did some needed foundation repairs as well. And this was our first round of work on the house after moving in recently. We look forward to more rounds going forward with Joey and his team.
Joey and the Gold Coast team were recommended to us by our realtor. We'd met with several contractors as we were looking to get work done with our house. And we really appreciated Joey's responsiveness, his willingness to listen to us, and his design that he prepared for the house. Joey is an excellent communicator. He was always available via text. If we had a small question, a big question, he was willing to meet with us on the drop of a hat. We can come over here and meet with us. We still, with questions and updates, and he is super responsive.
Joey did a great job of working with us on kind of prioritizing work on the house and lining that up with our budget. And kind of round one, and we look forward to future rounds with him as well. But in round, I think he did a great job of helping us understand the amount of work and do it, and he said he was going to do it.
All the installers were incredibly professional. We'd pop in and talk with them. They always explained to us what they were doing, how long it would take, what was going on with the house, and worked really courteously and respectfully with us.
Yeah, they were great people, and we enjoy getting to know them.
Now that the remodel's done, we really love living in this house. So we really appreciate all the work that Joey and his team did, and we're looking forward to future rounds with them.
Yeah, it's a great old house, and we love where we live, and our family loves it, and it's been great.